to this particular session of this video. We are going to build a basic project, which is a countdown timer. You can see a digital clock countdown timer. And how does this work? This is going to just count down time in a digital clock way. Instead of going to the next line, it's going to be everything is going to be done in a single line. And for us to do this, we'll make sure you have an import time. So first step we're going to do is to import our time. What is calculator? Import time. So when you're done, when I talked about, we're going to make use of a function in time, which is called s star pi time plus strf time. We're going to make it. I talked about what this does by using the percentage inside here and specifying the beginning of, like for hour, we can put H, capital letter H; for minute, capital letter M; and for seconds, capital letter X. So let me do that. Let's say this is going to represent, this is going to represent our hour, this is going to represent our minute, and this is going to represent our seconds. All this is going to be handled by this str function in time module. So let me print this out. Okay, sorry, I forgot to put this percent sign in front of them. Let me run it again. You can see I was able to get the hour, the minute, and that of the seconds. So if we were to run this inside a while loop, we're going to keep on getting the time. Okay, let's do that. Why say while true? We know that when I run this, will run really, really fast. Okay, let's Control C to end this. So how we can achieve this? We can put time does sleep. I talked about what time does sleep. What it just does is simple, just to sleep our code. So let's say every 1 second, I want to count down. Okay, let's see, you can see 23, 24, 25, 26. This 15 means 3, and then this is minute, and this is second. You can see how it's changing. I'm going step by step, or I can say seconds by second. So there's a better way I want us to achieve this. And this way is going to, we're going to make use of this print function. We're going to make use of a character. This character is just presented as /r. What does this character? This character, you can call it a carriage return. And you move the cursor back to the beginning of the current line without advancing to the next line. Like when we talked about this /n, what this does is to break the line, go to the next line. But for this r, you just move your cursor back, because when we are printing out the output, we are getting, okay, let me run it again. You can see when we're running this, is going to the next line. So we need a way to make it to appear in a single line. So we're going to make use of that, this /r. So I'm going to print function help us to do this. So this we need to give an argument in this print function, a value, and it's called end. And what are we going to set here? /r. So what is going to happen? This is going to appear at the end of this print function, and then it's going to make this print function, when it's printing out this hour, minute, and seconds, it's not going to go to the next line, to just be in the same line, or like this thing. So let's run it and see the output. As you can see here, it's changing, but you can see this there's a kind of a highlight on this, showing that is this /r forcing this my cursor to go back to that of the beginning, or the beginning of the line, or the current line. It will not allow it to advance to the next line. You can see the time is counting down, or it's counting here without going to the next line, or like these other ones here. The time is counting down here. Everything just done in one line, rather than going to the next line. It's no time when I decide to put it here. Also use it anywhere. It's not only in this time creating something like this. In the situation where you want all the output, something that is going through while loop, you might want the output to be in a single. Like when you're running while loop, and when you're running something, print something tends just to print something out, and then go to and print another one, print another one, print another one. So with this slash r, you can try to manage your space and then make it to run on one line. So that's what I want us to, basic thing I want us to do. You can see our time is still counting perfectly without any problem. So this is all basically what I want us to do. A small project I want us to do. So I think we'll come to the end of this video. Please, if you enjoy it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.